So recently I received similar messages. People complaining they can't generate free images using Nano Banana as at first. So this happens because the platform has released a new version of Nano Banana, which is Nano Banana Pro, which is more efficient actually at the level of details and other stuff. That's why you need a link API key so as to generate images, which is I would say it's a bit difficult for some African countries to have this. So for you to still generate your images, it means you just need to turn the Nano Banana model to the previous one you have been using. And to do this, you just have to come to this section of your screen. Yeah, I have Nano Banana Pro, which is what I'm using presently, which actually needs the link API key. So I'll just have to click here, then I move to the previous version, which is Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 flash image. Then I use this. So the interface changes. I I'll load my image. Let me just use this. Then the shirt is red. Then stick to face 100%. Then I will hit on the run button. So it might take some time as usual, depending on how good your network is. So this is actually what we have. You see the same stuff, the same image. We just have the shirt which has changed to red, and this is all free. Um, Immediately it loads fully. You can like zoom in so as to better see the image, and from here you can download. So that's it. I zoom in, then from here I can download. So other adjustments, you actually have the aspect ratio, which determines I will say the output. That's the nature in which the or the dimension in which the image is going to be generated. We have 1:1 for a square image. We have 9:16 for what you have here. Generally, these portrait images. You have 16:19 for YouTube and other stuff. Then you have these other ratios. Yeah. So in a nutshell, this is actually how you can still have access to Nano Banana for your free videos. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.